I'm going to show you how to use the Avalonix Premium Series PTZ cameras with your phone app. So you want to use the DMSS app, and then you should already have your NVR or IP camera added. And if it is, you should be able to access it. Here, I'm going to use a camera that's a PTZ camera, 4x zoom, connected to the top list here. So I'm going to hit play, and it pulls up my NVR with cameras connected to it. The PTZ I want to use here is in the right lower quadrant, and I'm going to double click on that. It opens up that PTZ. And now if I wanted to control it, I can by simply pressing the option for PTZ controls in the second row of icons. Right below where you see a camera icon, underneath it, it says, it has a cursor there or joystick, and it says PTZ. I would click on that. And then I can use this on-screen joystick to control the pan-tilt zoom camera and control it. I can use the arrows or the center here, the circle. It's like a joystick that I can use to control a pan-tilt zoom. If you have a really fast pan-tilt zoom camera, it will let you control it and move it faster in different directions. And then when you have it at a certain direction that you want to zoom in, you can press the magnification icon and hit plus or minus for zooming in and zooming out. And then once you're done, you can X out of it by pressing the little X on the top left-hand corner, and that's pretty much it. Now, this can only be done in live view. You can't pan, tilt, and zoom a camera. That's a physical thing on playback video. So playback, you can see on the bottom, there is an option for playback. If you click on that, and it will pull up recorded video. In here, you cannot do pan, tilt, zoom because this is recorded video. You can only use your fingers, and if you put your fingers over the video and do a pinch out, it'll zoom into the video. And when you pinch back in, it'll zoom out of the video. That's pretty much it on how to live view and then playback video from a pan-tilt zoom camera that's part of the Avalonix Premium Series of products using the DMSS app. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.